When dealing with an outdoor light fixture that repeatedly burns out bulbs, several troubleshooting steps can be taken. Firstly, check the voltage at the light fixture terminals using a voltmeter. The voltage should ideally be within the range of 120 to 125 volts. Excessive voltage is a common cause of premature bulb failure. Secondly, inspect the wiring from the fixture back to the electrical panel. Look for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Ensure all wires are properly connected and insulated to prevent shorts or other electrical issues. Thirdly, test the light fixture itself. Connect a new bulb to the fixture before reinstalling it. If the bulb blows immediately or shortly after, the fixture may be faulty. Try using a different fixture to rule out any problems with the original one. Fourthly, check for moisture. Moisture can cause electrical shorts and damage bulbs. Inspect the fixture and the surrounding area for any signs of water intrusion, such as rust or condensation. Ensure the fixture is properly sealed and protected from the elements. Fifthly, examine the switch that controls the light fixture. A malfunctioning switch can cause power surges that damage bulbs. Test the switch with a different circuit or light fixture to confirm that it is functioning correctly. Sixthly, inspect the ground wire. Ensure the fixture is properly grounded. A loose or missing ground wire can lead to electrical problems that can cause bulbs to burn out prematurely. The ground wire provides a path for fault current to return to the source, helping to protect against electrical shock and equipment damage. Seventhly, consider external factors that could be contributing to the problem. Check for strong winds or vibrations that could shake the fixture, overgrowth or debris that could interfere with the fixture's ventilation, and nearby electrical equipment that could generate electromagnetic interference. Any of these factors could potentially shorten the lifespan of the bulbs. In addition to these troubleshooting steps, here are some additional tips that may help. Use higher quality bulbs designed for outdoor use. These bulbs are typically more durable and resistant to the elements. Consider using light-emitting diode bulbs, which are more durable and long-lasting than incandescent or halogen bulbs. Light-emitting diode bulbs also consume less energy, which can save money on electricity bills. Install a surge protector to protect the fixture from electrical spikes. A surge protector can help to prevent damage to the fixture and bulbs caused by sudden increases in voltage. If the problem persists after troubleshooting, it is recommended to consult with a qualified electrician for further diagnosis and repair. An electrician will have the knowledge and equipment to identify and resolve any underlying electrical issues. When measuring voltage, ensure the voltmeter is set to the appropriate range for alternating current voltage, typically 200 volts alternating current or higher. Connect the voltmeter leads to the fixture terminals, making sure to observe proper polarity if the fixture has a designated neutral and hot wire. If the voltage reading is significantly higher than 125 volts, it may indicate a problem with the electrical system that requires further investigation. When inspecting wiring, pay close attention to any signs of damage such as cracked or frayed insulation, exposed conductors, or melted wires. These conditions can create a risk of electrical shock or fire. If any damage is found, the wiring should be repaired or replaced by a qualified electrician. When testing the light fixture, ensure the power is turned off at the circuit breaker before disconnecting or removing the fixture. This will help to prevent electrical shock. If the fixture has multiple sockets, test each socket individually to determine if one of them is causing the problem. When checking for moisture, look for signs of water stains, corrosion, or mold growth. These conditions can indicate a leak or water intrusion problem that needs to be addressed. If the fixture is located in a damp or wet environment, consider using a weatherproof fixture designed for outdoor use. When examining the switch, test it for continuity using a multimeter. The switch should have continuity when it is in the on position and no continuity when it is in the off position. If the switch does not function properly, it should be replaced. When inspecting the ground wire, ensure it is securely connected to the fixture and the grounding electrode system. The grounding electrode system typically consists of a ground rod or metal water pipe that is connected to the earth. If the ground wire is loose or disconnected, it should be reconnected and tightened. When considering external factors, trim any overgrown vegetation that may be blocking the fixture's ventilation. Remove any debris that may have accumulated inside the fixture. If the fixture is located near electrical equipment, try moving the equipment to see if it resolves the problem. When choosing light-emitting diode bulbs, select bulbs that are designed for outdoor use and have a high color rendering index. The color rendering index indicates how accurately the bulb renders colors. A high color rendering index will make objects appear more natural and vibrant. When installing a surge protector, choose a surge protector that is designed for outdoor use and has a high surge current rating. The surge current rating indicates how much current the surge protector can withstand without failing. A surge protector with a higher surge current rating will provide better protection against electrical spikes. If the problem persists after troubleshooting, it is important to consult with a qualified electrician as soon as possible. Electrical problems can be dangerous and should only be handled by trained professionals. An electrician will be able to identify and resolve any underlying electrical issues, ensuring the safety of the home and its occupants. In addition to the above, consider the type of bulb being used. Incandescent bulbs are more susceptible to vibration and voltage fluctuations than light-emitting diode or compact fluorescent lamp bulbs. If the fixture is subject to vibration or voltage fluctuations, consider switching to a more durable type of bulb. Also, check the bulb's wattage rating to ensure it is compatible with the fixture. Using a bulb with a higher wattage rating than the fixture is designed for can overheat the fixture and cause the bulb to burn out prematurely. If the fixture is controlled by a dimmer switch, ensure the dimmer switch is compatible with the type of bulb being used. Some dimmer switches are not compatible with light-emitting diode or compact fluorescent lamp bulbs and can cause them to flicker or burn out prematurely. If the fixture is located in an area with extreme temperatures, consider using a bulb that is designed to withstand those temperatures. Some bulbs are designed to operate in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Fahrenheit or as high as 120 degrees Fahrenheit. If the fixture is located in an area with high humidity, consider using a bulb that is designed for damp locations. These bulbs are designed to resist moisture and corrosion. If the fixture is located in an area where it is likely to be struck by lightning, consider installing a lightning rod to protect the fixture from damage. A lightning rod provides a path for lightning to travel to the ground, preventing it from damaging the fixture or other electrical equipment. Regular maintenance can help to prevent problems with outdoor light fixtures. Clean the fixture regularly to remove dirt and debris. Inspect the wiring and connections periodically to ensure they are in good condition. Replace any damaged or worn parts promptly. By following these tips, homeowners can troubleshoot and resolve common problems with outdoor light fixtures, ensuring they provide reliable and safe lighting for years to come. Remember to always prioritize safety when working with electricity. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is best to consult with a qualified electrician. Proper grounding is critical for electrical safety. The ground wire provides a low resistance path for fault current to flow back to the source, helping to prevent electrical shock. Ensure the ground wire is properly connected to the fixture, the grounding electrode system, and the electrical panel. If the ground wire is missing or damaged, it should be replaced immediately by a qualified electrician. Ground fault circuit interrupters are another important safety device that can help to prevent electrical shock. Ground fault circuit interrupters are designed to detect small amounts of current leakage and trip the circuit, cutting off power to the fixture. Ground fault circuit interrupters are required in many outdoor locations and should be installed by a qualified electrician. Over time, electrical connections can become loose due to vibration, temperature changes, and other factors. Loose connections can cause arcing, which can generate heat and potentially lead to a fire. Regularly inspect electrical connections to ensure they are tight and secure. If you find any loose connections, tighten them with a screwdriver or wrench. If the connections are corroded, clean them with a wire brush or contact cleaner. In some cases, it may be necessary to replace the connections entirely. Outdoor light fixtures are exposed to the elements, which can cause them to corrode over time. Corrosion can damage the fixture and its components, leading to electrical problems. Regularly inspect the fixture for signs of corrosion. If you find any corrosion, clean it with a wire brush or contact cleaner. Apply a corrosion inhibitor to protect the fixture from further corrosion. In severe cases, it may be necessary to replace the fixture entirely. Insects and other pests can also cause problems with outdoor light fixtures. Insects can build nests inside the fixture, which can block ventilation and cause the fixture to overheat. Pests can also chew on wires, damaging the insulation and creating a risk of electrical shock. Regularly inspect the fixture for signs of pests. If you find any pests, remove them and clean the fixture thoroughly. Seal any openings in the fixture to prevent pests from entering. Consider using a pest repellent to deter pests from nesting in the fixture. By taking these precautions, homeowners can help to ensure the safe and reliable operation of their outdoor light fixtures. Always remember to turn off the power at the circuit breaker before working on any electrical equipment. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is best to consult with a qualified electrician. The National Electrical Code provides detailed requirements for the installation and maintenance of electrical systems. Consult the National Electrical Code for specific requirements related to outdoor lighting. Local building codes may also have requirements for outdoor lighting. Check with your local building department to ensure your outdoor lighting complies with all applicable codes. Proper installation and maintenance of outdoor light fixtures can help to improve safety, security, and energy efficiency. By following the tips outlined above, homeowners can ensure their outdoor lighting is functioning properly and providing reliable illumination for years to come. Always prioritize safety when working with electricity. If you have any questions or concerns, consult with a qualified electrician. Replacing a light fixture is a relatively simple task, but it is important to follow proper safety procedures to prevent electrical shock. Before beginning, turn off the power to the fixture at the circuit breaker. Remove the old fixture by unscrewing the mounting screws or nuts. Disconnect the wires from the old fixture, being careful to note the color and position of each wire. Connect the wires from the new fixture to the corresponding wires in the electrical box. Secure the new fixture to the electrical box using the mounting screws or nuts. Turn on the power at the circuit breaker and test the new fixture. If the fixture does not work, double-check the wiring connections. If the fixture still does not work, consult with a qualified electrician. When replacing a light fixture, it is important to choose a fixture that is appropriate for the location. Outdoor fixtures should be weatherproof and designed to withstand the elements. Fixtures located in damp or wet locations should be rated for damp or wet locations. Fixtures located in areas where they are likely to be struck by lightning should be protected by a lightning rod. When choosing a light fixture, consider the type of bulb it uses. Light-emitting diode bulbs are more energy efficient and long-lasting than incandescent bulbs. Compact fluorescent lamp bulbs are also more energy efficient than incandescent bulbs, but they contain mercury and must be disposed of properly. Halogen bulbs are brighter than incandescent bulbs, but they also generate more heat. When choosing a light bulb, consider the color temperature. Color temperature is measured in Kelvin. Lower Kelvin temperatures produce warmer, more yellow light. Higher Kelvin temperatures produce cooler, more blue light. For outdoor lighting, a color temperature of 2700 to 3000 Kelvin is generally recommended. When choosing a light bulb, consider the lumen output. Lumen output is a measure of the brightness of the bulb. For outdoor lighting, a lumen output of 800 to 1600 lumens is generally recommended. When choosing a light bulb, consider the wattage. Wattage is a measure of the power consumption of the bulb. Lower wattage bulbs consume less energy and save money on electricity bills. When installing outdoor lighting, consider the direction of the light. Dam lighting is generally preferred for outdoor lighting, as it reduces light pollution and glare. Uplighting can be used to highlight architectural features, but it should be used sparingly to avoid light pollution. When installing outdoor lighting, consider the placement of the fixtures. Fixtures should be placed in locations where they will provide adequate illumination without creating glare or shadows. Fixtures should also be placed in locations where they will not be easily damaged by the elements. When installing outdoor lighting, consider the use of motion sensors. Motion sensors can be used to turn on the lights automatically when someone approaches. This can help to deter crime and improve safety. When installing outdoor lighting, consider the use of timers. Timers can be used to turn the lights on and off automatically at preset times. This can help to save energy and improve security. Outdoor lighting can be a valuable asset to any home. By following the tips outlined above, homeowners can install and maintain outdoor lighting that is safe, efficient, and attractive. Always remember to prioritize safety when working with electricity. If you have any questions or concerns, consult with a qualified electrician.